Hello, Laura here from SkipperBud's. I'm one of the salespeople, and we are looking at a new brokerage listing we have. This is a 2015 Key West 203, and it is powered with a Yamaha 175. It comes, the standard option is a 150, so it is upgraded with the 175 Yamaha. This is stock number B22486. And we can see a beautiful shiny hull. Bottom paint is in great shape. The hull is in wonderful shape. It looks brand new, honestly. It comes with the Tandem axle, Load Rite aluminum trailer. Nice spare tire. This boat is 20 feet, 3 inches. It's got a 12-inch draft. Great size if you want to use it on the Great Lakes or inland lakes. Very versatile. You can see the prop is in great shape, the trim tabs. We've got the transducer on the back, and it's nice that if you want to pull the engine out of the water, you can pull that back seat down, so you've got plenty of space there. We can see all of the upholstery is in wonderful shape. Those 2 backrests can be removed if you'd like, and there is storage underneath those. That handrail goes pretty far away down, so it makes it easy when you're walking around the boat. You can get from the front to the back pretty safely, which is nice. Rocket launchers on the top. Nice T-top. We've got the upgraded stereo and speakers on the tower. A nice storage compartment there as well. Nice flip-up bolsters. There's the center. There is enough space for a head if you'd like, although this boat was never, there was never a porta potty or anything like that on this boat. Rod holder, storage on the side. There's storage underneath all of those seats, and under the back center seat there is a live well, a 28-gallon live well, 22 gallons used. Plenty of space underneath this helm seat where you could put a cooler or gear, anything like that. If you're looking for a boat that is under $50,000 and gently used, I think this is a great option. Give us a call if you'd like more info.